While many agents will promise to help buyers find the best home and price, the real estate market's reality is that this only sometimes happens. Even if they do find the perfect home, the home buyer often pays more than they wanted to purchase the home. Fortunately, TradeMyHome.com, powered by Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, has created a guaranteed cash savings program to solve this problem for area home buyers. This program guarantees, upfront and in writing, the buyer will not overpay for the home they want. You will save at least $10,000 on the home you want to buy, or we will step in and cover the difference. In a market where many homes sell for more than the asking price or above the market value, a guarantee ensuring you will not overpay is critical. Unfortunately, you'll find that other companies simply cannot make such a guarantee. To help you learn how to save at least $10,000 on your home purchase, visit our website or call or text us at 408-740-7400. Offer expires soon and is limited to max $10,000. This offer cannot be combined with other offers.